Hello, John M5AML here. Is the assembly of the audio amplifier. Just drilling the PCB here. Using a small drill to drill the component lead holes and using a larger drill to create a small isolation area around the holes that are for leads that are not connected to the ground plane. Took a while to construct this one, it's quite a busy PCB, but there's the finished result, and there it is soldered to the VFO PCB. That's not the original VFO design, it's my own design. Now for the finger test. Touch my finger on the input of the audio amplifier and I can hear a buzzing sound from the speaker. All good. Volume control works as well. Now for a bit of fun, connected the audio output on the Yaesu FT991A to the input of the audio amplifier. The Yaesu is tuned to a frequency in the 40 meter band in AM mode, and I'm using my index finger to pick up the output from the VFO, which is inserting the carrier onto the signal that the FT991A is receiving. So effectively the Yaesu is receiving the signal in AM and I'm inserting the carrier using the VFO, and the audio is being output to the audio amplifier. It's great to see that. It's great fun, that is, because you're using the two homemade circuit boards to great effect. Something quite useful. It's one thing seeing a circuit board do what it's supposed to do, but when it's actually put to some use, it's even better. And just for demonstration, I removed the jack from the Yaesu's headphone socket and just listened to that frequency on LSB using the Yaesu. Thanks Bill, thanks Dean, see you in the next video.